of your time. So tired of tears. So done with. Hi everyone, how is everyone doing? This is your girl Jem Gomez and it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, my hair grew out from my last video.
Hello.
Hi everyone, this is your girl Jem Gomez and it's been a while, so welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I wanna hear from you. It's been a tough couple of months for me. That's why I haven't had time to edit and vlog, because I did a part-time at a sushi place aside from being a flight attendant, just because I need money for car parts. Okay, so let's get to it. Today I'm gonna do an installment of my rear visor and a Tsurikawa from JDM Tsurikawa, straight from Japan. And the rear visor is from HIC USA. And first we're gonna do an unboxing of both the items, car parts. So I'm gonna show you my first reaction because I haven't opened them yet, and they're at home for almost 2 months because I wanted to vlog it first before I install it, just for you. Okay, so first we're gonna do an unboxing of my Tsurikawa. If you don't know what Tsurikawa is, it's like a train handle in Japan. It's very old school, but they said that it became very popular to like car enthusiasts back in 2000, and I still find them really cute. That's why I got them. So it came in the mail straight from Japan. I love that it came like 3 days after I ordered it. Like, how? So, oh look, there's this cute octopus, and it says thank you so much for your purchase, JDM Tsurikawa. Thank you. They even gave me a discount code, so thank you so much. And I bought a Tsurikawa that's limited edition, so it comes with a hand cloth. So let me guys show you. Ooh, girl, this is so nice. Wow, I think I'm gonna put this on my passenger seat or my driver's side seat. I like to tie it up. Oh wow, it's windy. As you can see, it's a very beautiful day here in Calgary. It's summertime already, so this is a very rare occasion to be doing a vlog outside. Next is the actual Tsurikawa. Wow, look at this, guys. I bought a heart one with this very nice cloth strap. Wow, this is called the Bad Romance Heart from Tsurikawa. Well, it's so cute. I love it. I can't wait to put it in my car. Probably I'm gonna install this inside my car on the passenger side. Hey, yeah, this is a rare limited edition one just because of the strap. And wow, it's so nice. Thank you, JDM Tsurikawa. And next is my rear visor from HIC USA. Rear visor, I just wanted to complete the look for at the back of my car because we're gonna install something big soon, very soon. And I wanted to be just a rear visor, not the one they call what did they call the other one, like the other one that you put at the back? Yeah, so I don't want to put the vortex just because it looks really aggressive for me. I just want it to be a cleaner look. So I ordered the rear visor. So it's just like that. When? Okay. So this is how it's packaged. Very secure with the bubble wrap. Let's see if I can take this out. Oh! Okay. Nice. See, it's just a clean gloss black. Just to install at the back to complete the look. It comes with a primer, adhesion, promoter, and these two little things. Yeah, so I got this and I got this. It's a very minor change to my car, but it will make a difference for sure. So let's start. Okay, our first install will be the Tsurikawa. This is a very good quality for the strap, as you will just have to like unbutton it when you're gonna put it inside your car. That's how easy it is. It's so nice compared to those plastic straps. Is it leather or plastic? Compared to those, you have to screw it and unscrew it, but this one is so easy. So they made my life easy because you know me. Good thing I chose this one. So go inside your car and then unbutton the strap. I'm gonna put it in the, what do you call this, babe? What do you call this? Hindi ka nagsasalita.
Hindi ko alam eh.
So this is like the flap. So open the flap first.
Flap first?
Okay, so when you're inside the car, obviously I'm gonna put it in like the flap of my passenger side car seat. And then I'm gonna open the flap to like see this opening here. This is where I'm gonna put it, like on those openings. Okay, so just count 1 to 3, and that's how easy it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, count.
1,
One,
2, 3,
two,
4, 5,
3, 8. Hey, manang para po. That's so easy. It's very sturdy as well. So even if your passengers, passengers, when they're like blinded by the sun or something, or they just want to see the mirror, it won't damage your Tsurikawa too, because the strap is really sturdy, very reliable, good quality. I love it. Thank you, JDM Tsurikawa. And then yeah, compared to those, I remember my boyfriend having one of these. He doesn't want me to put down the flap just because his Tsurikawa will get ruined or something. So yeah, this one, I like it. So 10 over 10. I hope you're still doing okay. And for today, welcome to an meow 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 meow